Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to get TikTok back if you deleted it. So I have deleted my TikTok and re-downloaded it again. So I'll open TikTok application, and here in the login screen, you should select the account that you want to log into, or you can add another account, or you can create another account, but I will use my existing account. Then tap continue button. Here, if you have linked some Gmail address, then you should select the Gmail address that is linked to your basically TikTok account. Mine is this one. Tap continue button. Optional thing, but you can choose your interests. For example, fitness and health, outdoors, and travel. Then tap next button, and this is basically it. Start watching. Okay, so we have recovered TikTok. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.